Today I'm going to talk about the main features when choosing a card reader. Here I have a card reader that is a SanDisk ImageMate All-in-one USB 3.0 reader and writer. I bought this a few weeks ago and I'm going to talk about the main features I take notes when choosing this type of device. But first, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this every week. So, the main feature is the types of cards that it reads. In this case, it's very versatile and reads several types of cards, like micro SD in this slot. In this slot, it can read memory sticks or MagicGates. On the third slot, can read SD cards, SDHC, SDXC, or also multimedia cards on the same slot. And on the fourth slot, it can read CompactFlash cards. So it's very versatile. One single reader can read lots of types of cards. But if you don't need to read all these types of cards, like CompactFlash, multimedia cards, or memory stick, that's older technology, you can choose a simpler card reader with less connections, less slots to read cards. The second feature when choosing a card reader is the interface. This works with USB 3.0. And the box promises up to 500 megabytes per second. I've tried this several times and I can reach 350 megabytes per second, but this will depend on the class of the card. In my case, I have class 10 cards with video class of V60, so you can reach 5 gigabits with USB 3.0. So if you want to very fast speeds, you have to choose an interface USB 3.0 or higher. So that's the second feature, the speed, the interface of the device. Also, you can choose about the weight or the size. This is very light. You can put this on the bag easily, but you can also have to carry the USB 3.0 cable. There is a little bulky. Also, if it is mobile or for the desktop, and it will be a different form factor. So if it is mobile, it's like this, a simple card reader, or if it's for the desktop, it will have a standard size to insert on the desktop. Also, it could have a cable or being like an adapter that you connect directly. You connect the card to the reader and the reader directly to the USB on the computer. So it's like an adapter and not like a reader with a cable. This was the main features I take notice when choosing a card reader. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel because I post videos like this every week. Hit the like button, and if you have any questions, write it on the comments because I read and answer to every comment.